I'm super keen on this color. So what we're going to do is choose whichever is going to be your first color, and it's kind of like if you're melting a candle, that's what you could think of. So usually you see how beautiful it looks when a candle melts over something. It has that gorgeous drippy effect, and that's really what I want to create. So I'm going to go around the mouth of the bottle first and just slowly let the paint drip on to the bottle. Okay, so here we go. Oh yeah. Because this one's see-through, it could be quite cool actually if it also runs inside, but I'm not going to put too much inside because I really like it when, if you have it say on a windowsill or something, then you see the light reflecting through. Although if we feel like it, we're going to add so much paint that you won't see anything. Let's see how we feel, where this journey takes us. Okay, I'm going to now circulate through all my colors and keep dribbling from the top, but at one point I am going to go around the middle, the base, and then I'll carry on top. Okay guys, our drippy bottle is going to continue dripping for quite some time, and it should make some really cool patterns as it drips down. Because it's acrylic, it shouldn't take that long to dry, although inside the huge blobs it will probably take a few days. It could also be good to do this on plastic. Which is what I've done in the past, but I didn't think of it today, so note to self, don't use newspaper, use like a piece of plastic or foil, or you can put that underneath the newspaper. So I'm going to let this drip, and maybe in an hour or so I'll come and check it. I want to see when it's in between being dry and wet, maybe halfway, because that's why I want the kebab sticks and the toothpick, because I'm going to do little decorations and little patterns and things in the paint, that's in the shapes that the paint has naturally created. I'm not going to, well, I intend not to do too many, but just little bits of little secret, little magical pretty things that we can put in. I also had the idea that it could be rather fun to put some glitter and things on top, but I must say I really like how it looks already, and I'm very keen to see what happens when we put the varnish on. So I'll calm down on the glitter today. But for now, I'm going to let this guy sit here and dry. I just checked, and the top part is the perfect amount of dryness, and so I'm going to start doing a few little patterns on it, and I'm going to bring you closer. Okay guys, I have put the drippy bottle up here on the windowsill to protect it from kitties, curious kitties. Don't want splodgy hair all over the bottle or paint all over the cats. And it's been 19 hours since I finished painting it. It's still quite wet on the bottom even though the top is all dry. And so I think it's going to take another couple of days before it's totally dry. And then what we'll do is we'll put our varnish on. But I am liking the idea of putting on some glitter. And so what I think is that we'll put on our first layer of varnish and then we'll blow on some glitter and then put on our next 2 layers. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, it's properly dry. That's good. So I've got it on a piece of plastic this time. And I've got said varnish. Just says it's acrylic varnish gloss. And I have this gigantic goodie box. And it's filled with all sorts of fun things like glitter. And I'm going to use this one. These are little hearts. Ooh. Ooh. More pretty glitter. Some little pink ballers. Too much? No. Giant purple glitter. More pink ballers. Ooh, and little see-through little ballers. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to put my varnish on and then I'm going to blow glitter and little ballers all over the bottle, which is looking really nice right now. And it's going to look even better, hopefully. So let's do it.